Hi everyone, so today we are going to be talking about addition with carrying. So for this example, we are going to do 37 plus 95. So if we go back to the meaning of addition, which I wrote out here, addition is when we bring two groups together and count the total. So in this case, we're bringing a group of 37 and a group of 95. We're going to bring those two together and then we're going to count how much we have at the end. But this would be really hard if we just sat here and counted from 37 to 95. Or if we we brought these two together and just counted them. So I'm going to show you a little bit easier way to do that using addition. So first step we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this problem so that the numbers are stacked on top of each other with the place values lining up. So first we'll write 37 and then 95. You can see here that the ones place are stacked together and the tens place are stacked together. And then we'll do our equals bar and I'll write a plus sign just so that we remember that we're working with addition. Now I'm going to rewrite this in cube form. So if we write 37 in cube form, we're going to have 3 rods and 7 singles. And just like we stacked these numbers, we're going to also stack the blocks. So if we have 95, we're going to have 9 rods and 5 singles. We'll do our equals bar for this as well. So let's start by counting the cubes. So we're going to first just look at the 7 plus 5. So the 7 singles and the 5 singles. So if we go back to addition, we're going to bring these two groups together and we're going to count how many we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 singles total. Now because we have more than 10, we're going to need to regroup some of these singles. So because we're working in base 10, we're going to regroup 10 of these to create a rod. So we're going to take these 10 and I'm going to regroup them or redraw it as a rod. And then these 2 remaining singles are going to come down here. Write out 2 singles. Now if we look at this in our numerical problem, what we just did is 7 plus 5. We just looked at the ones place or the singles, and we just did 7 plus 5, which we know is 12. So we're going to write the 2 here, just like we brought down these 2 singles. And we're going to write a 1 above the tens column, just like we rewrote these 10 singles as this one rod. Now let's look at the rods. Just like before, we're going to bring these 2 groups together, and we're going to count them. But now, since we brought over this rod, we also have to add that with it. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's more than 10 as well. So we're going to need to regroup 10 of these, just like we did with the singles. But now the rods, 10 rods, are going to become one flat. So let's regroup 10 of them. We'll take these 10 and we'll rewrite it as a flat. Now with these 3 left over, we're going to bring down and we'll rewrite them here. Same sort of thing over here. We're going to add 9 plus 3, which is 12, plus 1 is 13. So we're going to rewrite the 3 down here. And then we would bring the 1 up here if we had other things in the hundreds place. But since we don't have anything in the hundreds place, we can just bring that 1 right down. Same with here. We just have 1 flat. We can count that 1, and we'll just bring it right down. So now your answer is 132. And this is represented in the block form here. We had 1 flat, 3 rods, and 2 singles. So there you have your answer. 37 plus 95 is 132.